Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update the Ring Floodlight camera in 2026. So on your Ring Floodlight camera, updates are basically automatic and you can't manually install them like we do in the applications. So the camera updates itself when it is connected to Wi-Fi and when it is idle. So for updates to happen, your camera must be online. So you can open your Ring application and you can check the device health. If the camera is offline, it will not receive any kind of updates. So you need to first of all fix the connection before expecting any kind of updates. Now updates usually install when the camera is not actively in use. So make sure that it has stable power and it is not constantly streaming. You can leave it connected overnight or during low activity time. Sometimes the weak Wi-Fi can also interrupt the updates. So if your signal is poor, the update may fail or not start. So you can move the router closer or you can improve the signal strength if needed. Inside the Ring application, you may see firmware version or update status. If an update is pending, it will install automatically once the conditions are right. So all in all, you don't need to do anything and everything is automatic. You just have to keep just these things aligned and you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.